Joints of meat cooked over charcoal or wood at 100 degrees Celsius enable the meat to become so tender that it's easily pulled away from the bone. The ease of controlling a Harrison oven at temperatures as low as 80 to 90 degrees Celsius makes it perfect for ultra-low and slow cooking. To protect the brisket from the initial high oven temperature, wrap it in foil and place it in a covered casserole dish. After cooking at high temperatures, you can completely close the oven down and allow the natural cooling cycle to slow cook overnight in the residual heat from the oven chamber.